Welcome everyone to the Moldex 30 webinar series. My name is Alex Baker from the Moldex 30 North America office here in Farmington Hills, Michigan. Today's topic is going to be all about smart surfaces and how we can use smart surfaces to improve the service quality of the part geometry and what that technology looks like. All right, so like I said, we're going to talk about smart surfaces as a technology, and then we're going to look at some case studies regarding how we can use or how smart surfaces have been used and how they will continue to be used in the future to improve the service quality of the geometry. So smart surfaces in general are a way that we can, I don't want to say compensate for service quality problems, but it's a way to put a film on top of the surface so that we can implement additional technologies or so that we can place additional textures or visual aesthetics onto the part geometry. Now, when there's surface problems in reality, whether it's like weld lines, flow marks, and so on, there's a bunch of different aesthetics processing. You can apply a texture, put a dye on it. You can coat it with some other, maybe like a metallic surface. That can also be done through electroplating. Spray paint is a pretty common tactic as well. We also have hot stamping. But smart surfaces as a technology is a way that we can, instead of secondarily creating a secondary process to implement these, whatever you want to consider them, aesthetic fixing strategies. These are in-mold surfacing tactics. So what you'll do is you'll put a film inside of the mold and you'll mold over top of that film. And then we will, then the part coming out of the mold, even if it has any sort of weld lines or stress marks or whatever, the film should mask that. And in addition, it allows us to implement technologies like if you're over molding onto a circuit board, or if there's some technology that's embedded. You see these a lot in cars, and you can see all the kind of visual cues here on the slide. You can actually implement these into with some sort of touch technology, and it allows us to get a little bit of a cleaner interface without as many buttons, which reduces the manufacturing cost, and as it turns out, also improves the user experience. All right, so here's a couple of videos that kind of just showcase the technology.